Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. So Friday, gold has ended upside around 3379 and it closed by 3371 on Friday. This spike is due to from Fed. There was some news about rate cuts on September. Based on this news, gold spiked on the later half of the day of Friday and it reached an intraday high of 3378. It is the highest point in the last 10 days and it broke the resistance level above 3365 and also it took the support at 3330 and it has spiked to 3378. This spike is purely based on the speech from Fed Chairman Powell on the potential rate cuts on September. But it is important to understand there is no rate cut yet. It is just a news of information. There can be a potential rate cut. So we cannot immediately take this spike as a bullish reversal for gold. If you can see clearly from 19th August, this is a clear pullback. It is a green candle. It is expected to go up. And here again today on Friday, this was a pullback and gold is around 3371 now. Okay. One thing to remember, this spike is only based on the news on Friday from Fed Chairman Powell, but there is no substantial thing has happened. Okay. This is only a spike based on the news. Okay. So let's go to check for tomorrow, Monday. So now let's go to the forecast for Monday, 25th August. Let's see the 4 hours time frame. If you can see, there is a big support at 3405. Okay. And also if you see the daily time frame, 3405, 3410 is the resistance and 3439, 3450 was the high. So already you see it was higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Still the gold is not completely bullish until it breaks above 3440 and 3450. Consider gold as bullish reversal only above this point because gold can little bit go up and it can still follow the downward trend. There are different reasons for it. I will explain it. You can see here clearly there is a resistance at 3406. Let me go for 3 hours time frame. Let's quickly look at it. There is a price gap formed, this green one, and you see there is a clear resistance at 3388, 3388 again, this is a fair value gap formed. Let's go back to again. So 3388 is the first resistance and second resistance is at 3426. So from 3400 till 3388 there is a resistance. So this is very important to understand. Now let's go to more accurate entry and exit points. I already noted down these points. Let me explain. Okay. So I told gold spike up to 3375 based on February cut news. But gold can be in pressure to drop down anytime as Russian-Ukraine war can come to end. This is very, very important. Okay. So there is a settlement being talked with Zelensky and there is a meet between Putin Trump. So things are settling down. Once the war is settling down, gold can significantly drop down. Okay, so don't ignore the spike which happened on Friday. Look for cautiousness in both sides. Okay, if you see the buy entry, you can go for buy entry above 3378. For target 1, I want to give another target 3388, and target 2 is 3400. Reason is because 3388 has a strong resistance. 3388 has a strong resistance. Okay, so price can reverse back also from here. Okay, so that is why I give buy target as 3388. You need to be very cautious. Price can reverse from 3388, or maximum it can reach 3400. Consider gold is bullish only about 3450. Okay, in the downward side, if the price cross below 3364, you can have a target of 3352, and the target again, if the gold breaks below 3350, go for the next target as 3330. The range is huge. From 3400 through 3312 is the range. Okay, see here, this was the low point. It touched on 20th August. It is 3311. So this will be the range from 3312 to 3400. This will be the range. So gold can come down and take these targets. 3352, 3364 is a support, 3352 is another support, 3330 is another support. It can come down to these levels. So you can entry based on these entry points. Up below 3364, go for 3352 as target. Below 3350, go for target of 3330 for Monday. Okay, so these are the key points, guys, for Monday's trade. All the best for Monday. See you all Monday. Thank you. Bye.